What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JB, and today I got some all white Vans here, and I'm doing a color changing from dark to light blue Louis Vuitton custom. So this is what I'm using, the Solar Dust. You can get it from solardust.com if it focuses. Yeah, the link will be in the description. But let's get to this custom. So I already took the shoes up, and now I'm gonna use this acetone to get the leather part, the factory finish off the leather part. Mix up the paint right here, mix it up, and now I'm going to put the stencils on the shoe. Alright YouTube, so we back, and this is how it looks so far. I like it. It's my first time doing this, so I wanted to see how it looked. But if I was up all night doing this, I had to take a break, so that's why it's not finished. I had to take a break because I was up all night. But yeah, I like it, and then I'm gonna show y'all the color changing really fast. So I got my heat gun right here. Turn this on. This is nice. I like this custom. I really like this custom. This is a nice custom right here. But yeah, let me get back to the shoe, and hey, you'll see the pictures at the end of the video. Alright YouTube, so the shoe is done. This is the full shoe right here. Yes sir, this is it. I think it came out really well for my first time doing it. And the heat gun. Yeah, that's sweet. Light blue. So it went from dark blue to light blue.